Help your dog overcome fear of loud noises in just 60 seconds. Start with low-volume sounds. Keep it gentle so your dog feels safe. If they stay relaxed, you're doing it right. Say calm in a soft, steady voice. Reward relaxation immediately. Pair the sound with rewards. Practice 2 to 3 minutes daily. Slowly increase volume over sessions. Look for soft eyes and loose posture. After each sound, mark and treat. Add short play breaks to keep it fun. Be patient. Progress beats perfection. If fear is severe, talk to your vet. With consistency, your dog can stay calm even with louder sounds. Want a brave dog? Like and subscribe for more.